Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to enable Nimalock automatically when your computer boots. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click, Run as administrator. Click HKey users. Click default. Click control panel. Click keyboard. Double-click initial keyboard indicators, change the value to 2. Save and exit registry. Restart computer. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.